Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting-a-ting-a-ling. Ring, ding, ding, ding. I'm on it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
Give him a big hug and a big kiss. Oh no! Of course you did. Are you still using the old one?
Yeah.
Yeah. May auction siya today.
Mama. Where's Mom?
Good luck, Daddy. Good luck for what?
The auction?
Auction.
Aww.
Yeah. Smart girl. See, princess.
Well done, Baba. Good job, Baba. So smart.
He's licking out the bird.
Is it a bird? Ah, it is a bird.
Why isn't he licking out the bird?
Maybe she's gonna crawl to it. Are you gonna crawl to it, Baba? Look at her. She's moving her arms, moving her legs.
I can't. Wait.
Yeah, that's okay. Don't force her. We're just waiting for her to do it. Yeah, in time.
Go in there.
Oh.
Go in there. 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 Oh, and
It's okay, baby. Don't be upset. It's okay. Ah, that's good. We got a big one.
Hello. Hello.
Oh, good tummy time? Come on.
Why he doesn't want to do tummy time?
Almost ready. Dagdagan ko na lang tong damit, yung bag ni Indy. Ito yung kay Arlo. Tapos kay Ella na din may ano lang dito. Lunch nila. Punta akong Golden Grove Village. Padalhan ko sila ng sandwich. May pagkain naman dun, guys. But just in case, at least meron silang sandwich. Ayan, butterfly kay ate. And Brachiosaurus para kay Arlo. Again, may pagkain dun. Ayla, so you have your sandwich here, okay? You have butterfly and Arlo's dinosaur. Okay? It's in this bag. And Arlo's nappies and wipes. So yung mangyayari is iiwan ko si Ayla at saka si Arlo kina Sharon because I have a lot of errands to do, guys. Yeah, punta tayong Golden Grove and sana makadrop tayo ng Kmart. Kaya lang magkaibang mall yun. We'll see. Hindi naman kailangan talaga gawin lahat ngayon. Depende kay Indy. Nandito na yung gatas ni Indy. She's sleeping. Nakatulog sa bouncer. Kaya pala ayaw na niya mag-tummy time kanina. Antok naman na siya. Parang inisip niya, paano ako makakatulong itong nakatummy time mo na ko eh? Wash your dummies. Are you ready? Can you grab your hair tie, please, so I can tie your hair?
Okay.
Nakabihis na siya. I didn't hear you. What was that?
I thought I'll be this tomorrow.
No, not tomorrow.
Yeah.
Is it? Oh, no, it's not Christmas tomorrow.
Yeah.
No.
Tomorrow.
Oh, okay. Ayla, that is so loud, Baba. Can you turn that off, please? Gustong-gusto ng mga bata yung decoration from La Olivia. Ang ingay-ingay niya nga lang, guys. Hindi mo ma-adjust yung volume. Pero ang maganda sa kanya, meron siyang option na pwedeng walang tunog. Ayan, ang ganda niya, diba? This is from La Olivia PH on Instagram. Ayla likes it. So now, ate, I'm gonna teach you how to turn it on without the music. Because it can get really loud.
How do you turn on and not the music?
You just push it the other way. Instead of pushing it that way, push it this way, okay?
I'm going to turn it off.
Okay, don't forget to turn it off before we go. There you go, you turned it off. Well done. And then turn it back on without the music. Other way, other way. Yes, yeah. Sige, push. Well done. See? It's nice. It's not too loud.
Can I turn it off?
Okay. Well done. Alright, let's do your hair. Ang ating beautiful girl nakatulog sa bouncer. So, hindi din ako nagmamadali para matulog lang siya dyan. Don't touch her, please. Don't touch her. Let her sleep, Baba. She's very tired. Alright. Ay, nako. Ito talaga naman. Shh. Be good, Baba.
Guys, look at my phone and look at the back. It's yellow at the back and it's yellow here. And I actually have a 10 thing.
Who gave
That
the phone to
one.
you?
Tea time Michelle.
Yeah.
And this is the loud one and this is that's the quiet one and that's
Are you bringing this to Papi's house?
yeah.
Okay.
But don't lose it.
Yeah, don't lose it.
Get the park.
That's right. Beautiful. You're gonna be good to Nani and Papi? Okay.
I just do mom.
Okay. What are you wearing, Alo?
I said you.
Ayla said ew. Ayla, it's not ew. It's nice.
It is you.
Yeah. What is it, Alo?
Stegosaurus.
I love Stegosaurus.
Spider-Man.
So, ano yan? Kasama yan nung set nung suot niya kahapon. Salamat sa nagbigay nito. Hindi ko na maalala, guys, kung sino, but thank you. Mayroon pa yung isa. Baka suotin mo bukas. Eh, do you like it? What do you say to the...
Thank you, Mama.
No, it's the guys.
No, it's Mommy.
Okay, it's mommy. I love it, mate. Where are you going today?
Banana.
Where are you going?
Banana.
Papi's house?
Banana.
Nagising na si Indy, guys. Nung pag-touch ni Ayla sa dami niya, nagising na. Okay naman siya, masaya naman siya. You're happy, Lovely? Guys, we will wash this. So, stay on the couch, please.
Why do we decide of the cow?
Because I'm gonna wash the cushion covers. Maganda to. This is from Shein. And in fairness dito ha, kahit na like madumihan siya ng strawberry, ng kung ano-ano, i-wipe ko lang natatanggal. So, ang tagalan nito, hindi ko pa siya nalabhan. Ngayon ko pa lang siya lalabhan. O, kasi yan, kasi yung nangyayari. Oh.
Water.
Okay, drink your water. You need to fill it up because you're bringing it.
What's the iron, Mom?
Yes. So, labhan ko to ngayon kasi nga, wala tong mga to.
I think you.
So, pagbalik nila, dry na to, hopefully.
Mummy Pig, Daddy Pig, and Peppa are having mugs of hot milk.
Why are you dressed up in that space?
Hello guys, I'm actually going upstairs with my brothers too, and we are not out of here. But we are not out of Nana's house. Yeah, that's my brother. He's not all the time. See, that is my brother. Black. That is him.
What happened to your forehead?
I played a dress.
Grass? It wasn't grass. It was concrete, wasn't it? Where did he fall, Ayla? Here, let's put this. Bio oil, guys, para sa scar niya. You got it, baby?
It's loose though.
It's what?
It's loose.
Loose?
Yeah,
Loose or tight?
loose.
Yeah.
It's tight. confused.
Here you go, baby.
No, it's not good.
There you go. Beautiful. All good. Who are we gonna see today, guys?
Nanny, Bookie. Hello.
You okay there, guys? Let me just check if I have everything. I need money. Does mommy have money, guys?
Yeah.
Yay! Alright, let's go kasi may nagwawala na. As you guys can hear. See? Katahimik kapag umandar. My baby girl. Wait sa guys. Excavator! I need to think, guys. Saan ba papunta kina Nana?
It's my favorite.
Yep. It's your favorite excavator!
Yeah.
Ang lamig naman.
See you later. Later.
Good singing, guys. Alright, you guys gonna be good, okay? I've got your water. You wanna sing the song? Excavator. See you later. I'm an excavator. But can't you see? Na 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 nee.
Look at your peanuts. Why did baby like looking? Why did babies like looking?
Babies like looking.
Yeah, happy.
Yeah, they like looking.
To see what did I remember?
Yeah, that's right. So if you can see that Indy's looking at something, you tell Indy what it is, okay? So she remembers.
And they
So-
looking out the sky.
Ah, you tell her, Indy, that's a sky.
Indy, that's the sky. Indy's looking out the car.
The car. Alright, what are you gonna say to Indy?
Indy, that is the car. Indy's looking out the tractor.
Ah, tractor?
Yeah,
Yeah, you tell her what it is so she knows.
it's the tractor.
It's a tractor. Yes?
Indy's looking out the flower.
Is she?
Yeah,
Ah.
Indy, that's a flower.
Sakit ng ano ko, guys. Shoulder. Masakit ang aking likod. Oh, I need a massage, you guys. Kailan pa? Kailan pa tayo makakapamasahe? Meron pa akong isang kulang. Yeah, okay. Sa Kris Kringle, isa na lang. And then we're good. We're here. Is Nana home? I think Nana's home. That's good. Nag-golf kasi to si Nana. But I think she's home. That's good. Guys, you be good, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. I'm not gonna turn off the car because I'm not taking Indy out. Just be careful. Yeah? How was it? Was it hot? No? Okay. Hello. Oh, Dan's got some signage at the back that he wants me to drill some holes. You know how to turn it on? Well done. Oh my gosh, it is my height. Look at that. Can you adjust the volume or that's how loud it is? Yeah.
6 different songs.
Okay. Oh, that's cute. You like it, Ayla? And where's Indy's? Where's Indy's bowl? Ah, that's beautiful. Oh, look at that. Huh? I know that's yours, Ayla. Yeah, and Alo. Well done. All right, I gotta go. And Theo. You be good, okay? You be good to Nana and Papi.
It's good, isn't it? And the tree's good, isn't it? It looks nice.
I know, I like it.
Looks good.
It's very Christmassy.
Yeah,
Thank
and
you.
Daniel come past. Beautiful. Well,
Yeah,
you
he said
can-
around 5.
Okay.
But I can pick them up earlier if you want me to. Pinakita niya talaga sa akin yung ano niya, Christmas tree. I mean, Santa. Yung Santa kasi. Kasing laki ko. Wait, text ko si Lyra. Sunduin natin si Inday, tapos punta tayong Golden Grove. I will pick up the Christmas photo. Kasi available na siya. Nung Monday pa actually siya available. And I will literally just stop there, pasakayin si Lyra, and then diretso na tayo. Because Indy will be due for a feed very soon. Tapos, I need to get a voucher for Kris Kringle sa Cotton On. Isa sa mga Kris Kringle ng kids. Yun yung request voucher. And may Cotton On doon, timing. Plus, I also have Click and Collect. So, kasi alam ni Dan na pupunta ako doon para i-pick up ang Christmas photo. He ordered some stuff sa Big W para Christmas present, guys, para sa mga bata. Buyag-buyag ang ating Indy. Sleeping Beauty lang siya, guys. Oh, Tony. Tony boy! He doesn't recognize my car yet. Sige. Take your time. Hi, Tony.
You seem to have lost your engine.
Have I? It's very silent,
make
isn't
any
it?
noise.
No.
Has it got an engine?
Yeah.
Yes, now.
You don't even know him
I
here.
know.
Yeah. She's sleeping. I only got one today. One precious one. Yep. What are you up to?
We've just trimmed up the garden, so I'm just,
Ah,
doing
you
a tip
are.
run.
Are you ready for the party?
No.
No. Do you need help at all?
No.
No?
No, when I say no, I mean psychologically.
Yeah, I told her it's up to you. If you want to come, I'll pick you up, but yeah.
Oops.
Alright, that's the go
That's
signal.
my own
That's
Yeah.
bye-bye, baby.
That's right.
You okay?
See you later, Tony.
Oh,
Thank you.
happy.
Tony's like, I didn't even know you're here. Napaka-tahimik ng aking car.
Yeah, tahimik ka ng car mo. Hindi ko nga alam na ikaw to, sis. Ngayon lang ako makakasakay sa car mo.
Ay, oo nga pala. Welcome to my car.
Ngayon ko lang din nakita yung car mo, sis.
Yeah. Saan tayo pupunta, Lai? Dito?
Diyan.
Aw.
Yung saan ka?
Doon?
Pwede din dito. Sige, dito na lang.
Actually. Dito na lang.
Dito na lang.
Kaya,
Electric ba yung car mo?
hybrid.
Hybrid.
Electric at saka petrol yan.
Kasi sobrang quiet.
Dito na kami sa food court. Hintay ko na lang si Lyra nag-order. Sunta na naman ako. Last time punta ko dito, nagpa-photo kami. Nagsunta din ako ngayon din. Sarap nito, guys. Oh my gosh. Bun bowl with fish sauce. And in fairness kay Indy, tulog pa din hanggang ngayon. Buyag, 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 buyag. Nakapaglibot-libot na kami ni Lyra. Pag shopping-shopping kami konti. Ay! Di atay. Kaya nga eh. Yung earrings mo, baka makalimutan natin. Wala kang masuot sa Sabado.
Kamusta naman yung pa-earrings natin?
Pa-earrings mo, guys. Kain tayo habang tulog ang isa. Sarap na tulog niya, guys. Buyag. Nakuha ko na yung photo. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya.
Ang cute ng smile ni Aileen doon.
Kaya nga silang lahat.
Silang dalawa.
Kasi hindi na ako ganun.
Ang happy nila. Ang laki ng lunch.
Ano ka din? Rose pork? Yeah. Pilipina pala si ate doon.
Pilipina silang lahat eh.
Kaya nga akala ko kasi Vietnamese. In fairness.
Pag hapon na kami bumibili doon,
Yeah.
nililibre na lang nila yung
Oo,
iba.
kasi sinisale nila, di ba? Ikaw na talaga ang libre. Nandito ako niyan lagi.
Yung mga spring
Mag-aabang
rolls,
lang sa hapon.
mga spring rolls nila, ganyan.
Yeah.
Kaya mimigay na lang nila. Sige na, te, sa'yo na lang yan, te.
Kaya nga, shout out kay ate doon, nanonood daw siya ng vlog ko. Nahiya lang siya lumabas.
Ayun, lumabas.
Shout out kay ate sa Sunta. Sa Pilipino ba may-ari?
Parang lahat kasi sila dahil.
Kaya nga
Feeling ko.
Kasi franchise yan, di ba? Cotton On kami, guys. Bibilhin ko yung voucher. Gift card para sa aking monita. Monita ng kids. Maganda mga damit nila dito, kaya lang ang lalaki, ang hahaba.
Mahaba
Kaya nga. Ito yung kinuha ko. Swimwear for ate. And ito, from 15. Ah, malalaki Lai. Ay, ano kasi siya? Christmas. Ay, 30 Lai. Bahay na tayo, guys. Tignan niyo naman itong pinag-order ni Danny Boy. Ito yung pinick up ko sa Big W kanina. Ang dami niya, guys, in order. Regalo to para sa mga bata. Christmas present ba? Para may open sila Christmas morning. Pero, nasobraan. Ang dami naman nito. So, itago muna natin to kasi I still need to wrap this. And meron pang paparating. 2 order yung ginawa niya sa Big W. Ito, yung kailangan i-pick up at saka merong shinip na darating daw today. Marami kaming pinuntahan actually. Napunta din kami ng Sports Girl. So, ito yung main thing na pinunta ko doon. Ang cute ng mga anak ko. Ito yung Christmas photo natin, guys. Ang cute-cute nilang lahat. Ang awkward ng smile ko dyan. Pero okay lang yan. Ang importante ang kids. Ang cute ng kids. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at Ayla and Arlo. Look at Ayla and Arlo. Ang cute nila, guys. Libre lang to, guys. Tapos meron ka ng hard copy ng photo mo. Sa Golden Grove kami lagi nagpapicture kasi doon na kami nakasanayan para pare-pareho yung picture namin every year ba. And then I got the gift card, yung request ng isa sa first sprinkle namin sa family. This is from Cotton On. Ang ganda-ganda kay Ayla ng orange. Ito hindi ko alam kung kasya sa kanya but she needs one na long sleeve. Kasi kapag sobrang init, magpupul tayo kay na Sharon. Naka 30% off to eh. I got the size 4 and ang ganda ng kulay na to sa kanya. So hopefully, fits her. And I got Danny Boy some clothes. Gusto nila nagsusuot ng mga ganito, yung mga short sleeve polo. Kaya lang yung kasya sa kanya, yung yung binili ko sa Sydney. Is naka-sale to, $12 lang to. Sana suotin niya. Ayan. Sure ako na kasya to sa kanya eh. So, I got him that. Tapos ito din. Ayan. Kasya to kay Dan. And then I got him shorts as well. Kailangan niya itong suotin. Hindi na to pwedeng i-return kasi naka-clearance to. Mura na lang to. $12 na lang. Ayan. Yan yung kay Danny Boy. Kasi yung mga binibili ko sa kanya mga damit, in fairness, sinusuot niya, guys. Nagsasabi nga lang na hindi ko siya gusto, pero sinusuot. So, deep inside, alam kong gusto niya. And I got this from Sports Girl. Naka-sale yung mga linen nila. So, this is 30% off. Hindi ko alam kung magkano na to. Kasyang-kasya siya sa akin. And this is mostly what I wear during summer. Yung mga linen ng mga pants. So, pangdagdag lang to sa mga susuotin natin lagi. And I also got these. Gold-plated siya. Yung maliliit na hoops. Na parang tamang-tama lang talaga ba? Na makakover lang. Kasi ito, maganda siya. Maliit na siya, guys. Pero malaki pa din siya tignan sa akin. Gusto ko mas maliit pa dito. Tapos medyo chunky. Like this one. So, hopefully, this works. I wanna wear it now. Tapos gusto ko din na may weight siya. Ayoko yung sobrang gaan. Kasi para lang siyang nakalutang kapag sobrang gaan siya. I think the one I'm wearing is from Yes Style. Ayan. Ayan. Yan yung gusto ko, yung maliit lang. Perfect. So, 3 na siya. So, yung susundo sa mga bata si Dan, mamaya na after ng trabaho niya. Guys, gusto kong magtahi. Tahiin natin yung susuotin ko sa Sabado. Sabi ko kasi, pag may nahanap akong damit ngayon na susuotin ko sa Sabado, hindi ko yung tatahiin. Pero wala akong nahanap kanina. So, tatahiin natin, guys. Yung susuotin ko kasi medyo malaki siya and ang haba-haba niya. Pak! Oh. Inalter ko yung aking dress, guys. Ito yung not dress, it's a jumpsuit. Ito yung susuotin ko sa Christmas party. Kasi yung theme namin is pastel. And aayusin ko pa siya. Kasi itong dito medyo hindi siya ganun ka-okay tingnan. So, gaganunin ko pa yan. Ayan, ayusin ko pa yan mamaya. Pero yung main thing is yung length, which napa-iksi ko na ng konti. Tapos ganyan yung magiging itsura because I will be wearing heels. But, yeah. Hindi ko na inalter yung dito. Maluwag to yung dito. Pero yung gagawin ko is lalagyan ko na lang ng tape. Tapos ididikit dyan. Para hindi siya bumabang ganyan. Tapos, yung dito din. Ganyan kasi yung itsura niya. So, yung gagawin ko is ititape ko siya. Paangat dyan ng ganyan. Tapos, yung ito sa neck na area, aayusin ko. Parang gaganunin ko. Basta mamaya. It's either iti-tape ko or kapag hindi kaya ng tape, I will sew it. So, pwede ko nang i-return yung iba kasi ayoko nang mag-isip, guys, ng outfit. Ito na yun. Ayoko nang mag-isip. Alright, ayusin ko lang to dito. Ayusin na natin habang tulog si Indy at habang wala pa akong ibang kids. Kakarating lang nila. Timing na timing. Malapit na matapos yung niluluto ko.
I like Spider-Man.
Nung dumating sila.
Hey, cutie to myself.
Oh, for your Spider-Man?
Here's my Spider-Man.
That's Daddy's dinner.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Tapos na kumain yung mga bata eh.